In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Power BI to dark mode. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is open Power BI. Go ahead and launch the application on your computer. Once you have it open, you'll see the main interface where you can start working on your reports and dashboards. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll notice a few options. Look for the section that says Options and Settings. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Options. This will take you into the Settings menu, where you can customize various features of Power BI. Once the Options menu is open, you'll see different categories on the left-hand side. We're specifically looking for something called Report Settings. It's located under a tab that says Global. So go ahead and click on Report Settings. Now here comes the fun part. In the Report Settings area, you'll find a section labeled Customize Appearance Preview. This is where you can adjust the theme of Power BI. Look for the drop-down menu associated with this section. Click on it, and you'll see a few options to choose from. Select Dark to switch to a dark theme. The change may not happen immediately, but don't worry, we'll finalize it soon. To confirm your selection, you need to save the changes you just made. At the bottom right of the Options window, you'll see an OK button. Go ahead and click that. This will apply the dark theme to your entire Power BI application, giving it that sleek, modern look that many users prefer. And that's it! You've successfully changed Power BI to dark mode. This can not only help reduce eye strain during those late-night work sessions, but it also just looks cooler, doesn't it? If you want to switch back to light mode at any time, you can follow the same steps I just walked you through. Simply navigate back to the Customize Appearance section and select a different theme from the drop-down menu. It's really that easy. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did and want to see more videos like this, be sure to click that like button and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions or want to learn more about Power BI features, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy using Power BI in dark mode.